Luxury is never just about size or sparkle. It's about the details that quietly transform an entire room. A crystal chandelier may command attention, but the real magic often lives in the finishing pieces, like a perfectly crafted crystal Bobeche. Designed to catch wax and enhance brilliance, these crystal accents do far more than serve a function. When paired with elegant gold pins, they reflect and scatter light with refined precision, creating a warm glow that elevates the atmosphere instantly. Every angle catches light differently. Every reflection adds depth, elegance, and sophistication. Whether you're searching for a crystal chandelier for sale, restoring a treasured antique fixture, or upgrading a modern luxury interior, the right chandelier parts make all the difference. At ABCrystal, our crystal Bobeches are selected for exceptional clarity, flawless craftsmanship, and seamless compatibility with premium lighting fixtures. The gold pin detailing adds a timeless touch that turns ordinary illumination into statement decor, because true luxury should shine from every detail. Explore the full collection today at abcrystal.com and complete your chandelier with brilliance designed to be noticed. ABCrystal. Illuminate your space.